During the research phase of product development, part of your job as the designer is to figure out how to design the best product without compromising. Engineering translates product designs into technical specifications and develops the necessary parts. Engineers work closely with research and development to ensure product feasibility. Here are 4 questions to consider during the engineering phase. 1. How will the product be produced? 2. How will it be assembled? 3. What's the ergonomic approach? 4. What are the best materials and processes? To be successful, you need to step back and review all aspects of the product's interaction with the user and its environment, as well as the best approach to manufacturing. We understand that part of product success relies on designers and engineers working together to create a prototype that embodies the key features and functionalities of the final product. PopFoam is all about turnkey solutions where we accommodate multiple types of manufacturing processes. Contact us to learn more about how PopFoam works with product developers to bring ideas to market.